Mike. He is a digital marketing expert and successfully runs his own clothing brand. But what is his success story? Few years ago, Mike decided to pursue his dream of establishing his own clothing brand. He always showed interest in marketing, but when he came across some digital marketing opportunities, he decided to learn about digital marketing and why it is so important to promote his business online. Mike learned that digital marketing refers to extending marketing efforts to potential consumers through the internet. Digital marketing leverage various marketing channels including mobile devices, social media, search engines, emails, and other forms of digital communications. Digital marketing allows you to personalize your marketing campaigns according to the needs of your target audience, while also making it easier to track and monitor your campaigns in a cost-effective and measurable way. Now that Mike learned what digital marketing is, he also wanted to learn about its importance and benefits. Upon his research, he learned that digital marketing allows you to reach a global marketplace. It gives you the ability to interact with your prospects and learn exactly what they are looking for. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing has a higher return on investment and a higher conversion rate, which means it has a higher revenue. It allows you to engage with your target audience to increase brand loyalty. And last but not the least, it helps you to develop effective and personalized campaigns catering to the needs of the target audience. After learning the importance and benefits of digital marketing, Mike realized that there was more to it. At this point, Mike wanted to know everything about digital marketing, so he further learned that it can be broadly broken into 6 categories, which includes content marketing, search engine optimization, social media marketing, pay-per-click, affiliate marketing, and email marketing. Mike thought that he could potentially utilize all of these different functions of digital marketing to develop effective campaigns to promote his business. So, he set off to try and promote his business using all the different avenues. Mike spent time identifying the sites and blogs his target audience spends time on, and how he can create content that appeals to that audience. He first created content such as videos, infographics, and blogs to drive traffic to his website and to generate interest in his products. This part of digital marketing is called content marketing. Next, he needed to spread awareness on his business and actually wanted his target audience to see his content. So he started off with creating a list of keywords. He then analyzed Google's first page to understand what is already working for those keywords. The third step was to create super high quality content with specific search keywords that were relevant to the target audience. He would do optimizations and create a website linking back to the content. Soon his website started to rank at the first page of the Google search results. Through continuous optimizations, he made it rank at the first place of Google search results. This part of digital marketing is called search engine optimization, which was all done free of cost. Next, Mike started thinking, what are other ways I can promote my business, and thought about where a lot of people spend most of their time, and soon social media came to mind. So, he set off to find ways to promote his business on various social media platforms, like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and Instagram. He created engaging posts and content to advertise his products to reach a larger target audience. This is called social media marketing. While Mike was listing his ads and doing research on digital marketing, he learned about PPC ads, which stands for pay-per-click. These are ads that you pay for on a click basis, where every time a customer clicks your ad, you pay a nominal fee to keep your ad running. Mike promptly created a few pay-per-click ads to launch as part of his digital marketing campaign. He used keywords both in description and the headline, which would allow the visitor to land on his brand's homepage. He created a very organized landing page which was easy to navigate through, and well linked with the headline, which would further promote conversion. That's how pay-per-click works. Mike thought to himself that he is savvy and smart, and has utilized digital marketing well until he was sitting with his friend on lunch and discussing his business endeavors. His friend offered to promote his business on his personal blog for a small fee, which Mike thought was a great idea. After this, Mike got the idea of contacting other online businesses to see if they would be willing to promote his products. This is called affiliate marketing, where you earn money on commission every time you promote products or services and drive a sale. Lastly, Mike thought to himself on how he can increase the rate of repeat customers, and realized he needed a strategy to target the customers who had already purchased from him before. He discovered that email marketing serves the purpose well. With email marketing, he could easily send mass emails to a list of clients with offers and discounts to entice them to come back and make more purchases. With this, Mike managed to establish his online clothing business, which fueled his interest to learn more about digital marketing and find all the possible ways through which he can promote his business online and get maximum effectiveness of his marketing efforts, while at the same time learn digital marketing in great detail. With time and practice, Mike became a digital marketing expert. In this video, you learned the main concepts of digital marketing. Digital marketing is an exciting career, and as you learned that it has many different branches, all of which help in accomplishing different tasks aimed at promoting whatever you like. It caters to all types of mindsets, whether you are a data junkie or an artistic mind. Be assured that digital marketing is the profession that has it all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon.